In this video, I'll show you how to add a new member in Spartix Manager. You can add members directly from the dashboard using quick actions. Click on Add Members. This opens the members page where all member records are managed. On the right side, you'll find the Add Member form. Now fill the required user information. You can also upload or capture a member photo directly during enrollment. Additional details like address, date of birth, emergency contact, and notes can also be stored. Next, we select the membership plan and choose the desired duration. You can also add one-time admission fees, discounts, and even due payment tracking for members with pending balances. You can also manage payment collection during enrollment. The member has now been successfully added. That's how easy it is to add members in Spartix Manager. If you have any questions, need support, or want help with anything inside the software, our team is always here to assist you. We're always happy to support our Spartix family.